Now let's start making the procedural arrow. This is our grid. Reduce the vertice count to 2 on X and Y axis. Now extrude the mesh. Increase the offset scale. Let's connect a viewer node. And now Control Shift and left click once again to connect this top with value. So we are going to extrude this top face once again. You can do it once again, and now we have the side faces. But we are going to extrude top faces. So Shift T, plug it right here, plug this top in the selection, and reduce the offset scale to 0.1. Now we are going to scale this face. So we need Scale Elements node. Plug this top in the selection. And now let's scale. This much is good enough. And once again, we are going to extrude this top face. Shift T, plug this top in the selection. Increase the extrusion. And now we need once again this Scale Elements node. Plug this top in the selection. Scale this down to 0. And on this point, we have 4 vertices, but we can merge them using Merge by Distance node. Merge by Distance node. And now we can make it flat. Set it to 0. Now it is flat. And here you can see we don't have that face because that face is extruded. And to get it back, we need to join this face using join geometry. Pull it out, add a reroute node. Once again, a reroute node. And now add join geometry. Now it is joined. But this face is not connected with this one. Vertices are separated. Let me show you. To apply this geometry node, click on this arrow and apply. Now select this arrow, tap to go in the edit mode, and L to select the mesh island. This is separated. Now what we need to do is to merge these points. For that, we will use this merge by distance node once again. And if you hover above this socket, then you can see we have 17 vertices. And what we have here, we have 13 vertices because we have merged some vertices. And now we have control over this arrow. This is the length of the arrow. This is width of the arrow. And there is one more thing, and that is we can use the cube. If I plug it right here, you can see this arrow is all over on all the faces. This is the cube. If I delete this cube and add a plane on the place of cube, scale it down and scale it out. Now we have manual control over the size of the plane. We don't need this grid to change the width of this arrow, but we need these values to change the length of the arrow. Now our arrow is completely ready. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.